My name is Benjamin Wagner. I'm the maintenance manager at our Pottsville, Pennsylvania location. I've been working for JELD-WEN for 23 years. I love working for JELD-WEN because we're always improving. We're always pushing the technology, being innovative, having a clear vision on where we want to move. We implemented L2L about 3 months ago. The way it has helped is one of the big things is we no longer have radio calls. We use dispatches. Nobody's allowed to call maintenance trouble calls on a radio because we would lose sight of what that trouble call was about. Now that we have a dispatch, we have that record. One of the things they have questions in there they have to fill out. So we're able to track all that data and actually run down the problems and with the data to have long-term countermeasures to solve the issues that we're seeing. Where before at the radio, we just had trouble calls. We didn't know what the issues actually were. With the data and running down the problems, we are getting better at it. I've seen our incidences go down on 3 of our lines, and we knew that we needed a resource over on those lines because of the dispatches and having the data that we didn't have previously. Like I said, we knew we needed a resource there. Since putting that resource over there, just the dispatch to that area have decreased by about 60%. People are happier, and it has brought the team together better. One of the reasons people are happier is because they are seeing trouble calls, the issues go down, and they can work on projects that are a little more fun to work on. Fighting fires isn't fun, usually, but being able to work on a project where you can see efficiency gains is just a lot, there's a lot more fun, and you can enjoy your work a lot better. We have several dashboards in the plant that are showing how we're running that day. And we actually have one in the maintenance shop too that shows how the machines are running. And everybody pays attention to that. Everybody wants the machines to run better, to be more efficient. And maintenance gets pretty good, a lot of satisfaction from that because they know they're directly involved in the machines being able to run more efficient. But one of the things we're going to be doing with L2L is we started refurbing a couple of our auto lines, and we're using some sensors, sensors to monitor all of our pneumatics. With that data going back through the PLC and going into, we're using ignition. And that I have an API wrote in ignition and to write to L2L to automatically create work orders. So nobody has to go look at a cylinder, see if it's going bad. We'll know when it's going bad, and that work order will automatically get created then to get that cylinder replaced at the next available downtime. Predictive maintenance is the future, and L2L will play a major role in that.